Dhaka is in mourning after a devastating tragedy struck the heart of the city on Monday. A Bangladesh military training jet crashed into Milestone School and College, killing at least 27 people, among them students, a teacher and the pilot, in what has become the deadliest air disaster in the capital in recent memory. The aircraft, a Chinese-made F-7 BGI fighter, suffered a technical failure shortly after takeoff. Despite efforts by the pilot, fighter Lieutenant Turkish Islam, to steer the jet away from residential areas, it nosedived directly into the school compound. It was his first solo training mission, a mission that ended in catastrophe. The crash triggered a massive fire that tore through the campus, trapping many inside. Over 170 people were rescued, though thousands sustained severe burns. As of Monday night, 78 people remained hospitalized, the majority of them students. Some victims were burned beyond recognition. Among those killed was Meherin Chudori, a teacher who reportedly saved more than 20 students before succumbing to her injuries. She is now being remembered across the nation as a symbol of courage and sacrifice. Eyewitnesses describe the moment of impact as horrifying. The Bangladesh government has declared a national day of mourning in honor of the victims. Flags were lowered to have mast as rescue operations continued well into the evening. Emergency responders, fighters, and military personnel worked side by side, combing through the debris for survivors. International condolences have begun pouring in, with leaders from across South Asia and beyond expressing grief and solidarity. An official investigation has been launched to determine what caused the jet's failure and whether safety protocols were adequately followed. For Dhaka, it's a moment of heartbreak, a reminder of how quickly a routine day can turn into a national tragedy. You're watching Africa 24 Hours TV. To stay tuned and connected, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Africa 24 Hours TV. And also, to get breaking news and stories, log on to our website at www.africa24hours.com. My name is Amos Ziggy.